From across the room, it looks like a giant painting, but as you get closer, you see the 24,000 parts that Hester Kenchinton pieced together over 6 months. She ordered the giant jigsaw puzzle, titled Life, the Great Challenge, from overseas, and says she's loved puzzles from childhood.
Just stimulated my brain, and I think it's the anxiety of finishing that puzzle to see what the end result looks like.
Kenchinton says there were times when she felt like giving up, but her patience and refusal to have a half-finished puzzle in her home edged her on, and it was worth it.
You look and then you say, oh, I never saw that when I built it, and then, day by day you see more and more things that you never saw while you were busy building it.
Now she keeps busy by doing Sudoku, but has she forgotten about puzzles?
I will keep on building if I can get a nice one, but the small puzzles I'm not interested in building small puzzles anymore. I don't think that will stimulate my brain at all.
And she has a point. Research has shown that completing jigsaw puzzles has many advantages and can even reduce the risk of getting Alzheimer's disease. Daniela de Plooi, Springs.